Yeah, in the trap, hanging places that you can't go. Glock 40, he got smoky at
This guy really brought out the G-Wagon, bro. I like it. What up? We back, Baba. We back to filming, Baba.
Okay.
We gonna post one video and call it done, Baba.
Hey, it's actually red. Look at this shit.
Oh, really? It's wrapped?
It's wrapped.
Oh, shit. The wrap top's good, though.
Yeah. Check it out. Lace up, baby. Shit.
What up, bro? Hey, come down the Mac on that, bro. What up, what up, what up?
Montage?
What up? Hey, he's a TikTok guy. He's a TikTok guy.
Heelys, dog. The new rare Yeezys. You bringing them back, bro? Yeah.
Bro, have you seen the TikTok of this guy?
Dude, this shit's funny.
We gonna insert it right now.
Who's next?
You lifting it?
Yo, no, huh?
You lifting it?
No.
I was about to say, holy
No,
shit.
but like sound wise,
You doing meth inject, dude?
it'll be better. Trust me.
Twin turbos?
Wait for this car?
Turbos?
Yeah.
Oh, you're dropping it off?
No,
Yeah.
not right
Not right
now.
now. But we're waiting on the parts to be finished. It should be done this week. So
Ooh.
whatever he thinks it sounds like right now, it's gonna sound like a little bitch car after we're done with
Hey,
it.
flames?
We'll see.
Pretty quick for a little G.
Bro, let me put on my seatbelt, bro. Oh my god.
Come on. Oh my god, I need seatbelts. Hey, should we get on two wheels?
Oh, we going straight Dubai in this shit, bro. Alright, Manny. So there's been talk, bro, about another McLaren. I just want to know, is it true or is it not true? Or is it speculation?
I don't
around?
think it's true.
It's not true?
No, it's not true. All my fans have been talking about me getting a new McLaren, but that's
A
not
570, right?
That's not happening.
Okay. Maybe soon though,
Maybe
right?
a year is coming into the future.
Okay. That's cool.
Bro, this is
Just stay tuned.
Watch car looks so nice.
Yeah. We got London on the track. This is all God's doing, man, you can't plan it. But if the devil's in the details, then I'm satanic. About to take over your city, and you can't stand it. My account say you sinking like the Titanic. David Blaine last summer, man, you had to vanish.
So a lot of people have been wondering, Manny, what's up with your 720? We haven't seen it in a while.
Hey, Manny. What's up with your slow ass 720? Hey, Manny. What's up with your slow ass 720?
We're gonna cap you,
Hey,
Manny.
Manny. Let's run it. Hey, Manny. Let's run it. All right, motherfuckers. Let's run it. Check it out.
Hey, let's show
This
them.
is what the real deal is. Fastest 720 in SoCal.
show
All you little Instagram influencers are a bunch of pussies. Check this out. And you know who I'm talking about.
So explain what we got here.
We got a nice little NOS tank, as you can see, full carbon for lightweight. This is probably the best kit you could buy, not just for this car, but for any car when it comes to nitrous. We're pretty much doing full custom setup for this car. It's gonna be dual injected, nitrous and methanol. We're gonna be running partial E85. We're not doing full E85 just yet. Want to see how this car runs with 91 E85, methanol, and nitrous. This shit's gonna be unheard of. No one's done it before. As far as I know here, and at least here in California, it's for sure gonna be the fastest car in California, if not the fastest car in the United States, as far as 720Ss are concerned. And of course, none of this is street legal, therefore this car will never be driven on the roads, or on public highways rather. It's gonna be for track use only. Right, Manny?
Yeah, track use only. Texas 2K, we coming for you. I'm pretty excited. You know, Elon Musk, you couldn't take me in the moon, so I gotta take myself.
That's a quote, bro.
It's on. Y'all ain't ready.
So I hope you enjoy this video. Check out Manny 720 when it's
720 is
done.
gonna be the fastest in the world besides the guy. Nah, we're gonna beat everybody. Fuck that shit.
Nitrous, baby. Nitrous, baby. Subscribe, comment, like.
See you in Texas this year, motherfuckers.